Hello children, continuation of the lesson knowing our numbers. In the previous class we have learnt about the estimation of numbers. So estimated sum, estimated product and estimated differences also we have found. Now here the next subtopic is using brackets. So here is a situation. See, here is the sum which includes more than one operation, that is it is having multiplication and also addition. So three students carry out the calculations and we'll see who has done it correctly. Meera bought 6 notebooks from the market and the cost was rupees 10 per notebook. Her sister Seema also brought 7 notebooks of the same type. Find the total money they paid. So Seema calculated like this. She has bought 6 notebooks into 10 rupees plus her sister bought 7 notebooks, that is into 10 rupees, that is each. So 6 tens are 60, 7 tens are 70, 60 plus 70, 130. Next, Meera has calculated like this. She added the number of notebooks first. So 6 plus 7 notebooks, that is 13, and each is rupees 10. So 13 into 10 is 130 rupees. Here both have done correctly. Seema says what Meera has done. So 7 plus 6 into 10. So is it correct now? 7 plus 6 into 10 is 60, that is 67. So this is wrong. So to avoid these confusions, we have to use brackets. So bracket helps us to carry out the problem without confusion where there are more than one operations. So first turn everything inside the brackets into a single number and then do the operation outside, which is in this case is to multiply by 10. So there are some more situations, some more problems we can say. See here, 7 plus 2 brackets 10 minus 3. So what we can do is 7 plus 2. Observe here, 7 plus 2 into 10 minus 3. Here no symbol means it will be into only. First carry out the operations inside the bracket. 7 plus 2 is 9 into 10 minus 3 is 7. So then calculate 7 nines are 63. So brackets helps us to avoid the confusions. Next is expanding the bracket. Next 7 into 103 is the question. So 7 into 109. So now we can use bracket also. Using brackets we can expand this. So instead of multiplying 107 into 109 into 7, so we can write this 109 as 100 plus 9. So we are expanding it. Expanding the numbers inside the bracket. So then we can multiply 7 with 100 and 7 with 9 and then add 7 into 100 plus 7 into 9. 7 into 100 is 700, 7 into 9 is 63. So that is equal to 763. So this is how we can expand the numbers using the bracket. Same thing, 102 into 103. So expand it, 100 plus 2, 100 plus 3. So 100 into 100, one side you can take it, and or 100 plus 100 you can take and multiply it. So 100 into 100 is 10,000. Then 200 plus 300 plus 6, that is 10,506 will be the answer. So this is expanding the brackets. Next is Roman numerals. So Roman numerals is a type of number system used in ancient times by Romans. Now we are using Hindu Arabic number. What we are using 1, 2, 3, 4 and also 0. So this is called as Hindu Arabic system. So in this system we use many places, like when you read a larger number, so we give places to this, units, tens, hundreds, thousands, like that. But this Roman numerals, there will be no place values. So these Roman numerals nowadays we can see in the clock, or when you write the classes in the schools, first standard, second standard, third standard. So these are all numeral numbers. So the symbols used are like this. This I for 1, 2, 3, and first you check out the symbols used here. For I for 1, V for 5, X for 10, L for 50, C for 100, D for 500, M for 1000. Okay. So there are 3 rules to be followed in this system. That is, if a symbol is repeated, its value is added as many times as it occurs. So see, 2 times if I write I means it is equal to 2. That is 1 and 1. 1 plus 1, 2. This is 10. 10 plus 10, it is 20. 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30. The one more rule is we cannot repeat the numbers more than 3 times. See, this is 30 now. So we cannot write or repeat the numbers more than 3 times. So this is not 40. This is wrong. So to write the higher numbers, so if the symbol of smaller value is written to the right of the symbol of greater value, its value gets added to the value of the greater symbol. See here. This is V is 5 and this is 1. If you write the right side, it will be added. 5 plus 1 it is 6. 10 plus 2 is 12. Then this is 50 plus 10 is 60 plus 5. So this will be 65. In the same way, if a number, the symbol is small, if of smaller value is written to the left side. See here, you can see V is 5 greater, the smaller is written behind it. So it will be 5 minus 1, it is 4. 50 minus 10, it is 40. 10 minus 1, 9. 100 minus 10, it is 90. So the symbols VLD are never written to the left of the symbol greater than value, that is VLD are never subtracted. So these symbols are never repeated or they will never be subtracted. From this we can subtract the lower symbols, but this will not be subtracted. The symbol I can be subtracted from V and X only, and symbol X can be subtracted from L, M and C only. So these are the rules to be followed. So here this is, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and this is 90. So we cannot repeat 4 times. The Roman missing or not written. Can you tell why? So this here we cannot repeat 4 times. And this V, L and C cannot be subtracted. That is the rule. So this is wrong. And this cannot be subtracted by 100. So this cannot be repeated 2 times. So that's why they are wrong. So this is the exercise now. So this is 69. So how can we solution for this? Write the Roman numerals for 69. Okay, we'll expand it and write. How to write for 69? 69. So we write it as 60 plus 9. So 60 means 50 plus 10 we need to write. 50 is L and X is 60 and plus 9. How to write 9? 10 minus 1. So 69 is the answer. Next is 98. How to write 98? 98. So you know 100. 100 minus 10 is equal to 90 plus 8. So 100 means C. If you write behind it, it will be 90. Then 8 will be 1 V. That means 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 98. So we are going to do some sums on this brackets, using of brackets, and also writing some numbers in Roman numerals. You can do it in your classwork. Thank you.